I thought I was done for videos today, and I apologize that I'm blowing you up with this content today. But let me tell you, I just saw this on the news report, and it said this is on CNN, so you don't take my word for it. Says that credit scores drop at the fastest pace since the Great Recession. Now, hear me out on this. This has got to be the biggest scam on Americans ever. The biggest scam on you if you've been on all of us. But this is how you protect yourself. You protect yourself by having good credit. You protect yourself by having education about how credit works. Because some of you are making your payments, doing everything that you're supposed to be doing, and guess what? Now your scores are still going down. Why are they going down? Because you don't understand how the credit system works. Everyone who signs up with the credit repair shop, I give them my book. You can see it's always in the corner of my video, how the credit system works, because you could be doing everything right, and then guess what? Your credit scores go down. Now let's talk about the scam. Let's talk about the scam that I believe is happening. So number one, president is trying to push to get the interest rates lowered. I have no problem with getting the interest rates lowered. I mean, there's a lot of back and forth if they should or shouldn't. I could tell you that if they lower the interest rates, the prices are going to go up on everything. If they lower the interest rates, the prices are going to go up on everything. You might be saying, Steve, why are the prices going to go up on everything? Because your monthly payments are going to be lower, and it's going to enable you to be able to afford something that costs more. You can mark my word on it. That's why the same house that I bought back in 2004 up to this time, I sold it, almost 4 years ago, I sold that house for a little bit under $600,000. And same house. Same house. I mean, yeah, we did a lot of stuff to it, but still, it was same house. I mean, period, same house. So people who bought that house from me paid $300,000 more for the same house that I bought. Cars. Look at how much cars are. You might be saying, well, it costs more to put together a car. Who says it costs more to put together a car? They say it? Who says it? Parts, this, that, all of this stuff? No, the biggest reason why car prices went up is the biggest reason why it was able to go up. Because you can make technology and do all types of stuff. The biggest reason why it was able to go up is because the interest rates were lower for people to be able to afford to buy more expensive cars. Point blank. You think that I saw a Hummer out there, and someone told me them things are like $120,000 to $130,000. You think somebody's gonna pay $3,000-4,000 a month for one of those vehicles? No, they're gonna get a low interest rate and pay 1,500, 1,600, 1,700 at the most. So mark my word. But here's the thing that I think is the big scam, though. Here's a big scam. Is that so interest rates are going to go down, right? This is how they protect their buddies. Interest rates are going to go down. So that would automatically mean, hey, we should be able to, we can refinance our debt, do all of this type of stuff. What did they do? What got hit over the last months? What got hit? Credit card, not credit card, student loans started getting reported. Average decline in credit scores was over 100 points. Number one. Number two, medical bills started back getting reported. Got a client right now, sent me a sheet of medical bills. They blasted his credit with it was different charges for the same procedure. Put every collection on there, and these were not from his insurance paid, but these were his deductibles that he just wasn't able to take care of at that time. Put them all on there, whole bunch. If you go to the creditrepairshop.com website, you'll see. Well, let me just bring it up. Why don't we just bring it up? Like I said, you'll see. Since I'm in the sharing mode here on where you can see the page. So that was on CNN. So on my website, here's the one here. So look at this one. This one had just where they just blasted them with medical. All of these are medicals. right here going all the way up to here. But there was also another one that had just slammed people. I don't know, maybe we updated, took that off. But you can see there, that one there had all those medicals. I think some of the ones up in here had medicals, but you can see that all of these like this, they were medicals. These were medicals on people. These were medicals. And so we had number one, student loans. Scores drop. What do I always say about low scores? What happens when you have a low score? You pay more because you have a low score. Pay more pay more low score, or low score pay more. Low score pay more. People with bad credit pay more for the same things people with good credit pay less for. People with good credit pay less for the same things that people with bad credit pay more for. There you go. So we had the student loans, scores dropped 100 points. We had the changes with putting the medical bills back on there. Scores dropped even more. Uh, there's one other one that come to mind. The change in the FICO, where they were going to do, instead of 24 months, 36 months. So if you have a late payment and you had passed the 24-month period, when they move over to FICO 10, it, even though it doesn't show it, they still do the risk factor based on the 36 month. Based on the 36 month. So that meant that even if, though it's not showing, your scores could be getting affected by that late payment that was within that 36-month period, but it may not be showing within your 24-month period. Because on your credit reports, it'll show the 24-month. They might be updating it. I got to look at mine because I have a monitoring. I pay for monitoring service also. So I'll take a look and I'll report back to you. But they might have added the next 12-month line on there. So now, with that being said, scores come down. Who is that helping? Scores come down, student loans, late payment, 36-month, medical bills. Scores come down, even though you've been paying everything, taking care of stuff. Scores come down. Who is that helping? Remember what I said earlier. Low score, pay more. Low score, pay more. Who is that protecting? Who is that benefiting? Low score pays more. So that's why I'm saying that if you get trapped in what they're doing, these little traps to take care of, I ain't gonna even get in all of that. But this is bottom line. This is what's happening. If the scores go down and the interest rates go down, you're still going to be in the same situation because they're going to rate your risk based off of your credit scores, and they're going to have justification to be able to do it. If you need to repair your credit, if you want to repair your credit, visit thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, and that's for free. I just ask for a donation. It'll save you time, money, and frustration. Or you can go to summonsmaster.com and it'll create a fully formatted response to that debt collection letter. Or if you're getting sued, you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload a PDF file, one complete PDF file of your summons, and it'll create a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to win your case. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. It's Stephen A. Williams, President, founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.